Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel, Healthy Life. Today we're talking about one of my favorite topics, the best healthy breakfast ideas. Whether you're rushing out the door or enjoying a slow morning, I've got you covered with delicious, nutritious, and easy-to-make breakfasts that will fuel your day. Why breakfast matters. First things first, why is breakfast so important? Well, breakfast literally means breaking the fast after a night of sleep. It kickstarts your metabolism, gives you energy, and helps you focus throughout the day. But not all breakfasts are created equal. The key is to choose options that are balanced, packed with nutrients, and keep you full until lunch. So, let's dive into my top picks. Did you know that eggs are one of the healthiest foods you can eat for breakfast? Today, we're counting down the top benefits of eggs. To show you why they deserve a spot on your plate every morning, let's crack into it. Eggs are a complete protein powerhouse. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them perfect for muscle repair and growth. Eggs are loaded with essential nutrients like vitamin D, B12, and selenium, which support your immune system, energy levels, and overall health. Their high protein content keeps you full longer, reducing the urge to snack between meals. So, there you have it, the benefits of eggs in for breakfast. Whether you like them scrambled, boiled, or poached, eggs are a delicious and nutritious way to start your day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For more health tips and recipes, how do you like your eggs? Let us know in the comments below. Did you know that yogurt is one of the healthiest breakfast options out there? Today, we're sharing the top benefits of yogurt to show you why it's a great way to start your day. Let's dig in. Yogurt is packed with probiotics. These live cultures support gut health, improve digestion, and boost your immune system. Yogurt is an excellent source of protein. It helps build and repair muscles, keeps you full, and provides sustained energy throughout the morning. Yogurt is loaded with essential nutrients like calcium, vitamin B12, and potassium, which support bone health, nerve function, and overall well-being. So, there you have it, the top benefits of yogurt and for breakfast. It's creamy, delicious, and packed with nutrients to kickstart your day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty and healthy breakfast ideas. What's your favorite way to enjoy yogurt? Let us know in the comments below.